Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I am going to show you one of my 4 cats. So this boy arrived at my house as a stray cat. So a stray cat is a cat that got lost, maybe accidentally, maybe on purpose. So maybe he came here in a car by accident, or maybe his previous owners just abandoned him in this area. But when he came to me, he basically had no fur all along his legs. He was very, very thin. He was bald. So bald is when you don't have hair. And he had scars all over his skin. So I don't know his story, but I think maybe he got tangled in some barbed wire, so sharpened wire, and he got hurt that way. So he is very affectionate. When he arrived, he was really scared. He also very thin, bald, covered in scars, and he was not really capable of eating a lot of food. I gave him food and he could only eat a small quantity. Now he has no problem eating food. Do you? No problem. So he has been with me now for about 3 or 4 months, and he is actually a very sweet cat. He gets on well with my other cats, and you can see he has beautiful eyes. Maybe you can't because he's too busy eating, but he has beautiful eyes and a beautiful thick coat. There you go. Say hello. Say hello. Good cat. Normally Midnight lives outside, but I think in his previous life he had an indoor home because he is quite friendly and quite familiar with being inside. He is not totally scared. I have another cat outside who was a feral cat. So a feral cat is different to a stray cat because a feral cat never knew people, had no experience with people ever. So the other cat that I have outside, who was a feral cat, he wouldn't come inside and eat food with the camera, with other people, not like Midnight. So Midnight, I'm pretty sure he had a home at some point, but I posted his picture on the local animal rescue Facebook and nobody claimed him, so I guess he's mine now. He is getting lots of silky fur and he is showing some little white patterns under his chin. So on a cat, when they have like a white marking here under their chin, we call it a bib. Turn around, Midnight, and show them your bib. Show them your bib. It's nice, yeah? Yeah, show them your bib. And he also has a white patch on his belly, but I'm not going to ask him to show his belly because he would probably attack me. He is very affectionate, so when I am outside, he always finds me and follows me around. If I go to put clothes on the line, the clothesline outside, he comes and lies at my feet, and I'm always afraid of tripping over him or accidentally hurting him because he stays so close. So, like I say, I have 4 cats and they all have a story, but this is probably this is my most recent cat and his story. I love cats. I've always had cats growing up, and now for my children, I have cats. Hey, boy. And maybe someday I'll also have a dog, but for now it's all about cats for me. So what about you? Do you have any cats, dogs, any pets in your house? Let me know. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. I think he just got distracted. Come here.